Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? But sometimes you're just not that hungry so early in the morning. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different recipes to make your coffee protein packed. Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is 517 Fitness, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping you lose weight and gain faith. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Over 2.2 billion with a B, cups of coffee are consumed by the world every day. But with a Starbucks on every corner, that doesn't seem like that big of a stretch. But how do we make coffee healthy? Coffee is already low in calories and high in caffeine. And in multiple studies, it has been found to help with depression, Parkinson's, type 2 diabetes, and even makes you happier. But it's missing one thing: protein.
Hey, I got you guys a protein shake.
Awesome. I love protein.
I know you love protein. I love protein too.
I don't care if you're trying to lose weight or gain muscle. Protein is essential to both of those. So how do we make protein coffee? Well, let me show you. Step 1, make coffee. Step 2, chill that said coffee. Step 3, add Optimum Nutrition's coffee whey protein. Step 4, shake. And step 5, enjoy. But here's a pro tip and a giant warning to you. You must do step 2. That is essential to this recipe. If you take hot coffee and pour it into your protein shaker, pour whey into it, close it, and shake it, you will have an explosion of hot coffee all over you and your kitchen. So you have been warned, do not put hot coffee in your protein shaker. If you do want a hot coffee, put it in a blender with the blender open low and blend it that way. That way the heat can get out without exploding everywhere. But Tyler, you said 5 different types of coffee. You are correct. So here are 5 recipes that you can do to make delicious, fancy protein coffee. All of these will start with normal coffee. But let's say you like a mocha. Add Optimum Nutrition's chocolate milk whey protein. Let's say you want a protein latte. Add Optimum Nutrition's French vanilla cream whey protein. Optimum Nutrition's white chocolate whey protein makes a delicious white chocolate mocha. If you would love a salted caramel macchiato, go ahead and add Optimum Nutrition's salted caramel whey protein. And if you want these, all of them will be linked in the description down below for you. And they're all affiliate links. What that means is that when you purchase it, I get a little bit of a kickback and you're helping out the channel. So thank you in advance for purchasing. I would love to know how you enjoy these. So let me know in the comments down below or tag me on Instagram at Tyler_Inlows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button or give it a big like, thumbs up. It really does help this channel grow. And don't forget, God loves you and created you in His image to be a temple for Him. God bless, finish strong, and I will see you in the next video.